Is your C drive full and you don't have enough storage? Well, I am going to show you how I clean mine so that you can clean yours too. Let's get started in just 7 simple steps. You can do this even if you are a complete beginner. Step 1. Check large files. First, we need to identify the big files in your PC and see how much space they are eating up. From here you can determine which files to delete or keep. This is how you check them. Head over to File Explorer and open it. At the top right corner you will find a search box. Write the text gigantic and search. Now files that are for gigabytes will appear. From here choose what you don't need and simply delete. Next head over to the search box again and write the text huge and search. Files that are between 1 GB and 4 GB will appear. Keep what you need and delete the rest. Step 2. Delete older Windows Update. When you upgrade Windows, the PC keeps an older version of it so that, if you want to go back to your older version, you can do so. The only disadvantage of this is that it takes some space from your C drive. Let's get to clean it. Head over to File Explorer and open it. Go to this PC and choose Windows C. Now look for Windows Old. If you know that you will not downgrade, you can delete this and free up space. Step 3. Delete software distribution. For the third step, head over to this PC and click on Windows, scroll down and find Software Distribution and open it. In here select everything and delete it. Step 4. Disk Cleanup. Your PC has a feature that can help you in cleaning up junk. Go to Start and search for Disk Cleanup and open it. In the drives choose Windows C and click OK. In here select all the files to delete. You can get some space depending on how regularly you clean your PC. Step 5. Delete Superfetch. In this step we will remove junk using the command prompt. Right-click Windows Start button and choose Run. Write the prompt above and click OK. Select all the files in here and choose Delete. Step 6. Clear temp files. We are going to clear the temp files that the PC keeps, and we can do this by write the text temp files. A folder will appear and choose all files and delete them. If a file can't be deleted, just skip those. Now add the word % on temp files and repeat the same steps as before. Step 7. Storage Sense. This is an automatic user content cleanup that helps your Windows 11 automatically clean your C drive. It can be set up in very few steps, but you have to turn it on. Go to Settings, choose Storage and select Storage Sense. In here choose how Storage Sense will be run. You can choose what you want. That's it for this video. Tell me what fascinating feature you will implement first to help you clean your C drive. Don't forget to subscribe, like and share the video, and I will see you in the next one.